It's gonna hurt me, you know. I'll do it.
No, that's not true. I should take off too much, and we're changing. And I feel, I agree with them, that in a contest such as this, each child must earn the money to buy stamps.
That means we've got to raise money allowance from town.
That's right. If each boy and girl earns the money, then it's fair to everyone.
Where are we going to find enough jobs?
Oh, you'll find enough jobs right in your own neighborhood. And working for the money makes it even more worthwhile. We must all make sacrifices.
Can I try? Yes, sir.
That way they can make it.
New cable.
I'll send you a postcard from Cape Canaveral. We still got 2 more weeks to it, and I've got a lot of jobs right now. They'll see who's considered a Google postcard.
What if it was harder than I thought it would be?
Is it higher?
Yeah, $23 higher.
23?
Yes, ma'am. I got up at 6 o'clock this morning and collected bottles. They are 25 cents.
I should have called.
This puts you 75 cents ahead of Johnny Drinking. Morning, Miss Williams. Good morning, Johnny. I made some collections on the big fruit this morning. Can I have $3 stand?
Before.
No.
I don't know what they did.
I guess it puts you in the
I
lead.
get this thing in.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not even
Don't hit the cat.
Yes, it's true. I can be ready. This is quite a surprise. I'll see you there. Bye. Hey, Mama, I was going to the point. Your father just called and he's got a ticket. We're sure he's in town, so he wants to take me to dinner. You can't go. Oh, why not? Well, you see, Mrs. Wilson told me Mrs. Forsythe needed a babysitter. So she called up, but Mrs. Forsythe said I was too young. And then I got the idea that if Mrs. Forsythe brought her baby over here, that you and Dad could have a babysitter. She said that would be okay. Oh, I see. Could you go Dad up? No, Dad, I'm afraid not. She just might start a dog. But who? Hasn't got any teeth. He must have stuck himself on one of his ears.
Every time there's turn on the TV set, maybe there's a western.
He's too young to watch television.
If I thought the sound of the shooting would drown out the me? You'll never grow up to be a Yale man.